we cannot make ourselves acceptable before God. You can't do that. I can't do that. You can't live a good enough life to do that. There's nothing we can do. The way you and I are accepted by God is because of His grace. Remember that word that I told you to highlight when we were reading that run-on sentence in verse 8? What does it say? That God lavished His grace upon you. Lavished. You know what lavished is? When you go to Target, you lavishly spend. Yeah. Y'all thought that stayed in the marriage tree. Yeah, all right. You lavishly spend, right? Like not just what you went in for. You ever walk in Target, I just got to get this thing. And then all of a sudden the receipt says you got a lot of things. Things you didn't even think you needed. Well, how does that happen? Right? Sometimes we think that God's grace is just for this one thing. And God is saying, no, it is lavishly given upon you. Things you didn't even know you needed. It's God's grace in your life.